What's going on, guys? Here with another video covering my Robinhood portfolio. Um, just some hindsight, the stock market kind of took a downturn slightly in today's intraday processes and training and whatnot. As you can see, looking at my profile, we are down 2% here. Which is not bad, which is not like a severe drop, but who likes to see a day full of red? So let's kind of go through the profile, see how stocks did and whatnot. Actually, a lot of the positivity in my portfolio today is due to a few penny stocks I'm involved in. One being AVEO here. They're up about 11% today. They started today around 192. Then they flooded the market with new shares, which caused the drop here. But investors bought more shares, and yeah, they're up 11%. This is the company that received good news from Europe. It is a pharmaceutical company, so they are on the rise here. One of the biggest reasons for the drop in my portfolio today would be my technology stocks. Those two stocks being Microsoft. They actually fell about 2% today, or about 1.6%. And Qualcomm here fell about 2%. Qualcomm hasn't really brought much in for me. I got involved in this stock when it was about $58 or so, around there, and it's been down here since then. But I am a long-term investor, so just kind of doing this to review how the day-to-day processes are going, but I am in this stock for the long run. I did end up adding a brand new stock to my portfolio, and that would be Tesla. Funny thing is, I bought this stock when it was around 374, thinking it would bounce back from the fall it experienced yesterday, but it continued to decline down to 363. I will be buying one more share of Tesla, making plans to currently move some shares around here. I am going to sell out of Ford, going to sell out of a couple other stocks here to kind of repurpose that money over to Tesla stock. So that's the plans here. I am putting in an investment plan together. I'm planning to be in 4 major sectors, those sectors being technology, health, auto, and I can't think of the last one right now, but going to go about 50-50 within those 4 sectors. 50% of the money in those sectors going to companies that are doing well and that offer a dividend, and the other 50% going to companies that have good promise. Good promise being Tesla, AMD. Even though these companies do not see too much profit just yet, but they hold good promise. Stocks are doing well. Stocks are growing a lot, and this will make my portfolio a little more risky. So those are the changes I'm going to make. The 4 major players I will be holding in those four sectors. Again, those 4 sectors being health, energy, automotive, and technology. My health stock is going to be PTLA, which is a high risk, high reward stock. My technology being Microsoft and AMD. My energy being VSLR, which is Vivint Solar, and First Solar. I have not bought in the First Solar yet. I was 15 shares in. I sold them off at a profit of $40, and I am expecting this stock to pull back about 7% like it usually does. Again, taking a look at the history here, it maxes out, then it falls back about $3. Maxes out, falls back about $3, and the same thing happened there. So it went up to 39, back down about $4. So I am expecting the dip of First Solar to come back down to about $37. The rally did make it up to $41 in intraday trading on one of these days in First Solar. So expecting that to pull back down to $37, then I will be buying back into them. So First Solar is going to be my energy. Microsoft will be my technology. PTLA will be my health, and that's in the pharmaceuticals. And the last one is going to be Tesla for the automotive. This is a very aggressive profile. You know, these are a lot of growth potential stocks, stocks that are not seeing a lot of profit like Qualcomm and Microsoft are, but they are stocks with high promise, which does mean high risk as well. So that's kind of how my portfolio did. Again, we're down 2% today, but I'm going to repurpose some funds here to kind of go along with my investment plan I am putting together. I will be sharing that investment plan with you guys once I finish that. So other than that, thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.